If you like to keep your knives maintained with a really good sharp cutting edge, Sharp Pebble has got this new kit that they gifted me a couple of weeks ago to do an honest review, and so far it's not let me down. I've sharpened everything from fillet knives to butcher knives. I keep my pocket knives sharp with it, and it's just really easy to use. It's really sturdy and stable. If you're familiar with whetstones, then you know what you're looking at here, and if not, this is a two-sided stone. One side is 1,000, the other is 6,000, which is plenty enough to keep a knife honed sharp enough to shave. You're going to want to start with the 1,000 side, and that's going to help you remove enough material to get the edge clean again. And once you've got the edge hilt to tip clean again, you'll flip it over to the 6,000 side, which is really smooth, but that's what you're going to use to hone out the blade so that the edge is razor sharp. It comes with this bamboo base and this little rubber gasket that holds the stone in place for you, so it keeps it really stable. It's not going anywhere. Another feature that it comes with I really like is this angle guide here. If you're not used to sharpening knives, you can get kind of wild up and down, back and forth, and that tends to dull the knife once you get it to a certain point. But if you have something like this to stabilize the angle, then you'll come away with a razor sharp edge every time. Now this is more of a maintaining stone. Like if you had a chip in your blade or it was in really bad shape, you wouldn't want to start with this. But if you take care of your knives and just over time just need to keep a fine edge on them, this is an excellent way to maintain your knives. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys how easy this thing is to use. You slip it over the blade, turn, and you really can't mess this up. I mean, it doesn't matter how you hold it or whatever, so long as you keep the guide rested down and back and forth motion. Some people like to go round and round. When I sharpen a knife, I like to go away from the cutting edge so that the stone's not pulling into the sharpened edge. But everybody's got their own ways. And yeah, every now and then just put a little bit of water on the stone and it works itself out fine. This guide will work on even this really small blade here. It just, like I said, if you're not used to using a whetstone, this thing makes it foolproof. Really cool feature. The bamboo base that it comes with has a rubber bottom that helps keep it stabilized, as well as, like I said, the little gasket that holds the stone in place. But when you flip it over and go to the 6,000 side, 6,000 grit, that's where you're going to get it to a shaving finish. Like it's almost like honing it on a leather strop. It's really, really nice. But I am used to doing this freehand. And like I said, I like to pull away from my cutting edge. And my finished edge is a few degrees lighter than that, so my actual sharpened edge is longer. The guys from Sharp Pebble, man, this is like the third thing I've gotten from them. Everything they got's really good, high quality stuff. It works just like it's supposed to every time. So if you're looking to get something to keep your knives maintained, this is a really awesome kit, and I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.